Hey folks, it's that time of the year again where I need to remove the vehicle sticker and replace it for January so that I don't get a astronomical ticket from the Illinois as well as Chicago police. So I've using the easiest method for me when it's 25 degrees outside. Actually, the real feel is 14 degrees. It's Chicago. It's that time of the year. So what I do is go outside and I use a blow dryer. And it's funny, like I don't even use this blow dryer on my hair. I just use it for projects like this. So I am basically just adding heat to the license plate and it's allowing me to remove the sticker just a little bit faster. The glue that's on these plate stickers is really tough and it's even more sticky when it's cold out. So adding the heat to the license plate sticker and the license plate actually helps. If necessary, if you're outside, use an extension cord and plug up a hair dryer. I'm using flathead screwdriver to help remove the sticker. And as I'm removing that, I'm just going to keep applying heat to it and then, scrape it some more to get the last parts of the sticker off. And some people, like when you're in cold weather like Chicago, you may say, I don't care. I'm just going to add this sticker on top of another sticker. And that's fine. This is just a way that you can remove the sticker as necessary. And once you've done all that, you've cleared all the sticky sticker off of the plate. You want to use some alcohol to get rid of the rest of the residue. So I'm adding this to a cotton ball and I'm going to rub it off. And yes, it's cold out and I'm using these thin gloves. So the alcohol is making it even colder. I'm not even using my thicker gloves because it just would have been a little bit harder um getting, at least using that flathead screwdriver and removing all of this. So using my thin gloves for now, but I'll change to my thicker gloves later. Anyway, so I'm going to rub off the residue. I've used like a little piece of paper as well as some cotton to remove the rest of the residue, and I'm going to stick this sticker on there. And for Illinois, the cost of a license plate sticker is $151. So you want to make sure that this is very secure when you put it on your license plate. So I'm going to stick that on there. I'm going to make sure it's on there really good, and I'm going to wait like 3 minutes and before I do the next step. So and the next step is to use like a box cutter or some scissors, a knife, something that you can use that can slice into that sticker so that if anyone attempts to remove the sticker from your plate, they're going to have a hard time doing it because it's going to tear up on them. That's the goal. So you want to make sure that it's stuck on there really good and then you want to slice it. So yeah, that's it. And I'm wearing my warm gloves now right before it snows.